Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Blessed morning to everyone, right? So anyway, I see this video I go around on social media and I want to address it, definitely. So one night I go over upon Uncle P live, otherwise known as Lady P, right? So she did upon our live. You understand me? A class me. I may go over there and I confront her because I don't like coward people. I may go over there and I tell her what my office say. Anyway, now me see a video come out where she's saying she go to the doctor and the doctor can't find her complaint. And she has said from me come on her live and say about me for me body. Hold on. Yeah. She said from me come on her live and me say she has swell. She started to swell. So what she's saying is, and what she accused me of, she said me a OBR. Right? Me not lie now. Sorry guys, that one is funny. That one is funny bad because I have some hungry belly pitness. I'm not lying. I have some hungry belly pitness. So I can't see the reason why I would take my money and got OBR man for go OBR you whether we are foreign. You understand me? I want to know what I'm gaining out of that. What would I gain from out of all of that when I go travel all boat for go OBR you? I don't get it. Because at the end of the day, you're not looking on Bobby. Right? You're not looking at yourself where you give away your puss kitten, you give away your child. You're not looking say you have your family at Jamaica, you're sad, dead for hungry, and you're not trying to help them. So you have no look at evil people, you know, in the comment section, look at corrupt people them where egg you on in the comment section saying, yes, me a wicked woman and me obey you for true. But this is what I'm saying to you now, Uncle P. Look on Shibada will come out and Shibada slaughter me. She bother make me lose a job. She bother slaughter my business place. She bother slaughter me pitney them. She bother talk about my son saying one day with my son. Eh? And me not take up my little chimpanzee to go do she bother nothing. Why would I obey you? That is what I want to know. Why would I do something like that? The end of the day, you don't know how to make views. And you're not a content creator because I don't see you create nothing for you on social media more than you try to make problem. What I'm going to gain out of all of this, the end of the day when me take up my money for OBI you. I am in the middle of moving my business place. I am in the middle of moving my kids to settle to a new location. No, uncle. Why would I find time for obey somebody like you? Let me tell you what happened. The Almighty have beat you. When me say God have beat you bad. You see that black lip here? Eh? My mama is a mad woman. Don't play with a woman. We have a child where is a mad woman because me go up on my knee and me bawl. And me cry and me pray for me pitney them. Go and talk.